Hey everybody, my name's Luther, just in case you didn't know, and I'm part of a group on YouTube called Artfacestudios. This is my very first open screen night, so I wanted to show you kind of what we were all about. I hope you enjoy.
Oh, beautiful. Alright, now just cut it in half here, just like this. Yeah, and just serve it. Half on one plate, half on the other. And one good suggestion is you could always garnish with a fish stick.
Dear Luther, is it true that you are what you eat? Well, yes it is, Sarah, so don't eat a retard.
Oh, I got some on my eye. Oh, it's good. It's real good.
Good stuff. Let's divide it.
Let's do it all.
Right now?
Let's do it up.
Let's do it. All right.